Ever wondered how a rainbow would taste if you could eat it? Well, you're in for a treat. Imagine a vibrant, healthy, and delicious stir-fry, full of colorful vegetables and lean protein, sizzling in a wok. Picture the reds, greens, yellows, and oranges of bell peppers, carrots, and zucchinis, marrying the tender, juicy chicken. This isn't just a feast for the eyes, folks, but a symphony of flavors waiting to serenade your palate. Stay tuned if you want to know how to turn these fresh ingredients into a mouth-watering dish. Cooking is an art, and our canvas today is this fresh array of colorful vegetables. In the world of culinary creations, the selection of ingredients is paramount. Picture walking through a market, hand-picking the ripest tomatoes, the crispest bell peppers, and the most vibrant carrots. Each vegetable not only brings its unique flavor to the table, but also a spectrum of nutritional benefits. Take our red tomatoes, for instance. They are not just a splash of color in our dish, but a powerhouse of lycopene, a potent antioxidant. And these bell peppers? They're not just crunchy, they're chock full of vitamin C. And let's not forget our humble carrots. With their high beta-carotene content, they are the very definition of health in a bite. Now let's move on to the washing. It's more than just a rinse under the tap. It's about gently massaging each vegetable under cool running water, removing any residual dirt or tiny critters who've made a home in the nooks and crannies. It's a vital step that ensures our food is clean, safe, and ready for the next stage. Chopping, the rhythmic dance of the knife against the chopping board, is an art in itself. Each vegetable asks for a different cut, a different approach. Our crisp bell peppers, for example, are sliced into thin, even strips, perfect for a quick sauté. The tomatoes, on the other hand, are diced, their juicy flesh ready to melt into the dish, lending it a rich, tangy base. And the carrots, we julienne them, their slender sticks adding a delightful crunch to our concoction. Each vegetable, with its unique color, texture, and nutritional profile, plays a vital role in our dish. It's a symphony of flavors, a mosaic of colors, and a medley of nutrients. With our vegetables ready, it's time to season our chicken. Our star protein for today is chicken, a lean and delicious source of essential nutrients. Now let's talk about preparing this protein powerhouse. Chicken, in its raw form, may seem uninspiring, but with the right preparation and seasoning, it can be transformed into a culinary delight. First, we begin by selecting a quality piece of chicken. Look for a piece that is plump and pink, with no visible blemishes or odors. This ensures that we're working with a fresh and healthy cut of meat. Once we've selected our chicken, it's time to season. Seasoning is where the magic happens. It's the process that breathes life into our protein, transforming it from a bland piece of meat into a flavorful masterpiece. For our dish today, we'll be using a simple yet effective combination of salt, pepper, and garlic. Salt is a crucial ingredient that enhances the natural flavors of the chicken. Pepper adds a touch of heat, while garlic provides a robust and earthy taste that complements the chicken perfectly. But the seasoning doesn't stop there. We're also adding in a splash of soy sauce for that umami flavor, a hint of sweetness from honey, and a squeeze of fresh lemon for a tangy kick. These ingredients work together to create a harmonious blend of flavors that will dance on your palate and leave you craving for more. After seasoning, we let the chicken marinate for a while. Marination is an important step that allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the chicken, ensuring that every bite is as flavorful as the last. And there you have it. Our chicken is now seasoned and ready to be cooked. This process of preparation and seasoning is what turns an ordinary piece of chicken into a protein powerhouse that is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Now that our chicken is ready to go, it's time to bring out the wok. Listen to that sizzle, it's the sound of flavors coming together. And now, we've arrived at the heart of our culinary concert, the stir-fry. This is where the magic happens, where the symphony of flavors and textures really begins to sing. You see, stir-frying is like a dance. It's all about timing, rhythm, and balance. We start with a wok, the stage for our sizzling symphony. It's essential to get the wok really hot. That's where the term stir-fry comes from. We're not just cooking here. We're creating a rapid-fire reaction that sears the food quickly, locking in those vibrant flavors and preserving the crisp texture of our colorful vegetables. Once our wok is blazing hot, we add in the oil, swirling it around to coat the surface evenly. Then, it's time for the star performers to take center stage. Our seasoned chicken and vibrant veggies are added to the wok. The sizzle is immediate, a resounding applause for the deliciousness to come. The trick to a great stir-fry is to keep everything moving. With a flick of the wrist, we toss the ingredients, ensuring every piece gets its moment in the spotlight. This constant stirring is the essence of stir-frying. It's a dynamic dance of heat and motion, a delicate balance that ensures everything cooks evenly without losing its crunch. As our ingredients stir and sizzle, a tantalizing aroma fills the air. This is the smell of transformation, of raw ingredients becoming a harmonious dish. It's the smell of garlic and ginger melding with the sweetness of bell peppers, the savory scent of chicken browning beautifully. And just when you think the symphony has reached its crescendo, we introduce a splash of sauce. This is the maestro's final touch, the note that ties the entire performance together. The sauce sizzles and bubbles, glazing our stir-fry with its rich, savory goodness. Our stir-fry is almost ready, but wait, there's one last step. The final step in our culinary journey is plating, where we transform our stir-fry into a visual feast. It's often said that we eat with our eyes first. This statement, while somewhat cliché, holds a lot of truth. The presentation of a dish can significantly impact our anticipation and appreciation of the meal. The colors, the arrangement, the garnishes, all play a crucial role in making the food more appetizing. Imagine a canvas, a blank white plate waiting for the artist's touch. Now, think of the stir-fry as our palette of colors. Each vegetable, each piece of chicken, a different hue, a different texture. The vibrant reds of bell peppers, the bright greens of broccoli, the golden browns of perfectly cooked chicken, all mixed with the rich, glossy sauce, a delightful sight to behold. As we plate our stir-fry, we're not simply dumping the food onto the plate. We are carefully arranging it, taking into consideration the balance of colors, the distribution of ingredients. We're creating a composition, a balance between the different elements of the dish. Maybe we choose to place the chicken as the centerpiece, surrounded by a constellation of brightly colored vegetables. Or perhaps we prefer a more mixed approach, letting the colors and textures intertwine naturally. Both are valid, both are beautiful in their own way. And then, the garnishes. The final touch, the cherry on top. Perhaps a sprinkle of sesame seeds, adding a bit of crunch and a subtle nutty flavor. Or maybe a few sprigs of fresh herbs, providing a burst of color and a hint of freshness. The garnish is not just an afterthought, it's an integral part of the dish, enhancing both its visual appeal and its flavor. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to plate your stir-fry. It's a form of self-expression, your chance to put your personal touch on the dish. So, let your creativity shine. Let your taste guide you. Let your stir-fry be a reflection of you. And there you have it, a colorful, nutritious, and delicious chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Cooking is more than just about feeding yourself. It's about nourishing your body and soul. As we draw to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant journey we've embarked on today. We started off with a medley of colorful vegetables, each with its own unique textures and flavors. Chopping them into bite-sized pieces was just the first step in unlocking their full potential. The protein powerhouse of our dish, the chicken, was seasoned just right, ensuring every bite is a burst of flavor. Then came the sizzling symphony, a harmony of heat, spices, and ingredients coming together in the wok. The aroma was nothing short of tantalizing, a promise of the deliciousness to come. The finishing touches were the icing on the cake, the final flourish that elevated our dish from good to great. But beyond the taste and presentation, this dish is packed with nutritional benefits. The vegetables provide essential vitamins and fiber, while the chicken offers a healthy dose of protein. It's a meal that nourishes not just the body, but also the soul. It's a testament to the fact that healthy and delicious are not mutually exclusive. So, why not roll up your sleeves and try making it at home? Take this recipe, add a dash of your own creativity, and you'll be on your way to creating your own culinary masterpiece. Remember, anyone can cook a meal, but it takes love and creativity to turn it into a culinary masterpiece.